Hi, it's Ali. Today I'm going to be sharing some Halara dresses and other summer pieces that I chose from them. This video is sponsored by Halara. Thank you so much, Halara. However, all of the opinions are, of course, my honest reviews and thoughts about the products that I chose. By the way, for size reference, I am usually wearing a size XS. Sometimes I do size up to a size S if I want something to be a bit oversized. And I am 5'3". If you're not familiar with Halara yet, being a Halara woman is about embracing growth, harmony within yourself, in your environment, and moving every day confidently with intelligence and intention. By the way, Halara gave me a coupon code to share with you guys. You can use the code Alicia015 or Alice15 to save 15% off on all full-price Halara items. Also, all of the links will be in the description box down below. Starting off, this is one of my favorite dresses from Halara. I love this because it is the active dress. And this is viral for a reason. This is in the easy peasy version. I love this because it already has built-in padding. Also, this has built-in shorts. That's why it's really worth the hype. Plus, it is an easy peasy version. You don't actually need to take the whole dress off. You can simply tug it at the back and you can use the bathroom. So it's so much more convenient. And I love this version. This is in the regular length. They also have this in the longer version and so much more styles in the active dress. In case you are confused about the regular or the longer lengths, the reason why Halara has this is actually because they listen to their customers, which is not something that all brands do. Let's be for real. So it's definitely something that I love about Halara because they actually take feedback from their customers and improve their products based on what their customers need. Speaking of which, they have the Halara Circle. You can check out more details in their website, but basically you get to try out the newest products from Halara and you get to shape them based on your needs. So if you're interested in getting some free pieces from Halara and share your invaluable feedback through a brief survey via email, check out the link in the description box about the Halara Circle. I love this dress as well because the back is so beautiful. I love the look of this and it's really comfortable as well, whether I'm lounging at home like I'm filming right now or if I go head out and do errands in this. It's perfect. I love my active dresses so much. I have so many versions and this also has a pocket at the side. So that's perfect for when you need to put just your phone or keys in. This is definitely one of my favorite dresses from them and I've worn this so many times. I still love it to this day. Next up is this beautiful rust looking dress from Halara. I love this so much. You can see it in the video how stunning it looks. Also, this has built-in padding. All of the dresses actually have built-in padding. So if you don't want to wear a bra, you're totally covered, especially that most of these dresses that I selected are backless or have designs. So I wouldn't want to worry about what to wear underneath. So I love this. They're also removable. So if you don't want the padding, you can just take them out. Also, I love the ruche detail here. I always love when dresses have ruche detailing because it makes your waist and your hips look so good. The back is just simple. It just has this plain design, but it is a lower cut. So I love that. And it has a stunning slit. So that's definitely something that I'm obsessed with as well, especially for summer. It just keeps things a little more elevated. They have more styles in case you're not a fan of that, but I personally really love the slits. I would definitely get this in more colors. Oh, by the way, one thing to mention that I really love about Halara is that they are size inclusive and they have incredible color options. Their size range is immaculate and should be the standard for all brands. It is from a size XS up to a 4XL. So you know that you can actually get your size when you're shopping at Halara and you don't have to worry about that. Just make sure you stick to the size chart because it is very accurate. Also, just look how stretchy the fabric is. Di ka talaga maiinitan dito. For the summer, this is so breathable and comfortable to wear. This is why I love their fabrics. They also have a fabric section page on their website if you want to check them out. They even have this pat it off, I think. It's like for fur. So if you're a pet owner and you don't want fur sticking on your clothes, they also have fabrics for that. Next up, we have my absolute favorite. If it wasn't this dress, it would definitely be this one. You can see how much I love it in the video and how confident it makes me. I love this style. I've actually been seeing this everywhere, pero hindi ko pa kinuha. I wasn't sure yet if I wanted it or not because I've seen a lot of people wear it, but oh my gosh, I get the hype. I love that the waist here kind of has a cutout, so it actually makes your waist look more of an hourglass. And then it also emphasizes the hips because of that. The fabric is also nice, stretchy, and breathable, and this also has an amazing slit at the side. So obsessed with it. And you can also adjust the straps at the back, and it has built-in padding. So, once again, it has a backless design. If you don't want to have to worry about wearing a bra or finding a bra for it, they already have built-in padding, and you can take them out if you don't want them. I love this. I need this in every color. This is definitely one of my favorites. And if you haven't tried the Lara dresses yet, this is a must-have. Like, you can wear this out on a date. You can wear this for school even. Just cover it up with a jacket because it's long enough. And if you're allowed to have slits in school, so good, so versatile. All of their pieces are like, there are so many ways that I could style them and wear them for any occasion. And because they are comfortable as well, like, what's not to love? A beautiful two-piece dress set. This actually has inner shorts. These two don't have inner shorts, but it's totally fine with me. It's this beautiful green color, and I don't know why. I've been loving this color lately. I used to wear this color a lot, but I haven't tried it on for a while now. I don't know why. I've been leaning more towards white and black and neutrals lately. So I've been missing some color. That's why I got some color in my wardrobe now. But anyway, now I was rambling about colors, but I just realized that. And I'm pretty sure you guys realized it too. And look how stretchy this is. So you can actually wear this even without the dress. You can just wear this as cycling shorts, or you can use them as well for when you're working out. Quality is amazing from the stitching and the fabric. Everything is just well thought of. This dress is absolutely beautiful. It looks so simple from the front, but the back, oh my gosh. This has a beautiful crisscross backless design, and I am so obsessed with it. It also has a logo down here. And I love how low it is, and it still has padding, by the way, but it's also removable. It also has two pockets right here at the front. They're pretty seamless, so it's not as obvious. They have it on both sides. Something that I would wear just to lounge in as well. I can imagine wearing this for hiking, actually. This would be perfect. Super nature, super... It's giving, Earth Princess. You know what I mean? Next, let me show you the pieces that I chose that are not dresses but are for everyday and for activewear, because I plan to be doing a lot more stuff this summer. I've recently been playing billiards and table tennis. I've had so much fun. So I also got some pieces for that. So here I have flex denim pants. Of course, you guys know how much I love this already. I've posted so many times about their flex denim pants, and it's because they're really good. Like, they're really good. They're so comfortable. It's denim, but it's stretchy and it's breathable. You can actually wear it for summer without suffocating. It has a button and zip closure, and there are also some belt loops, so you can wear this with a belt if you wanted to. There are 4 pockets, 2 at the front and 2 at the back, with a cute little Halara logo as well. I love the color of this. I actually have this in a color blue already, and you guys know I loved it. That's why I got it in another color. It's expected. As long as I love something, I will always get it in another color. So I promise you, this is definitely one of my favorite pants from them because I've used them so many times. It's very wearable, the color black. And it's not like a very dark black. It has a grayish tone, which I really like. So it looks vintage. So I would love this for some streetwear outfits. It's for errands. Definitely the perfect pair of jeans and a must-have. Now, let's move on to the tops. I actually wasn't sure whether I was gonna like this or not because it is a bit more simple compared to what I usually wear. But it is actually really nice. It's a good basic to have. It has 2 buttons actually, and the collar is really nice. This is a good top just to have if you need something to change into, or you need a very lightweight, breezy top. Look how stretchy that is. And even though I was wearing a dark undergarment, it was not showing through at all. Because I originally thought you would have to wear this with maybe a Halara sports top, but not at all. However, you definitely could if you preferred a sports bra. It has the Halara logo at the back. I would definitely pair this with a skirt just to keep it more feminine and flowy. Next up, we have this one. It's another basic top, and actually, it's not as simple like worn as it looks. Like, it looks like a very simple shirt, but it is so nice and stretchy too. Similar fabric to the other one, but you see these lines at the sides, they actually emphasize your figure because it kind of goes in a curved pattern. The back also has the logo. This is how the back looks. It has this at the bottom. Just to keep things light and feminine, I would prefer to wear it with my Halara skirts. This is a really good basic to have because it's color white and black as well. It would pair well with basically anything. Second to the last, we have this beautiful, almost seafoam, just light jade green color. Okay, seafoam and jade green are definitely not identical, but it has that light hue. It is so nice. It's a pastel color. I think this is really flattering on my skin tone. I'm actually not sure. Let me know. I'm still exploring with my color palette. And I love this because it has a zip up over here, which you can adjust. So if you wanted to wear a sports bra under, keep it open. That would look so cute. This is so nice. It's also breathable. This is the cut at the sides. And it has the little Halara logo at the back. It's a crop top. Like, you could wear this with shorts, a skirt, and even jeans. I think I could totally wear this for errands as well, not just for activewear, which is why I wanted to pick it up. I love how lightweight it is and how breezy it is. Look how stretchy that is as well. If you're looking for cute tops that you can wear for jogging, from activewear, and to a cafe after, this is definitely the top for you. Finally, we have this beautiful black top. I love this. Like, maybe it's the cut of it and also that it's a mock neck type of length. I really like it. It has this zipper that goes all the way down, so you can actually take it off like all the way, kind of like this. So if you wanted to wear a sports bra or another top under and then just throw this over, that's totally good as well. It feels very expensive. And by the way, all of these prices are so affordable and Halara has so many sales, but these are so affordable for the quality that you're getting. They are worth every penny, I promise you. All of my pieces from Halara have held up for so long. I've been supporting them for 2 years now. This is something that I would wear jogging with the cute new biker shorts that I got from them. This would be so cute, even with a skirt. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope my recommendations will help you guys in choosing your pieces from Halara. Please feel free to comment down below which one was your favorite and let me know if you want to see anything else in the future. What styles from Halara would you like me to try on? And maybe you have some color recommendations for me that you think would go well with my color palette. Once again, you can use my code Alicia015 or Alice15 to save 15% off on all full price Halara items. Definitely check out the Halara Circle as well. It will be in the description box, including all of the product links. All of my social media is Alice Roma. Feel free to follow me there if you guys want some style inspiration. I post a lot on there, especially on my Instagram. I always tag Halara as well because I really do love their pieces. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would already know. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much again for watching and for supporting me. And I hope you all have an amazing summer ahead. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!